So I wanted Zoomies for my Pro Street Nova build. It's gonna be loud, but that's what I wanted. And but I wanted stainless steel pipe, and that stainless steel pipe is expensive. But welcome back to the School of Rodology, and a little shop where dreams come true. My name is Rat Rod Bob, and I build stuff. On Facebook, I get all kind of advertisement. Temu. I tried them out a couple months ago. My son said, man, they good. They send the stuff. It ain't no scam. I thought it might have been a scam. So I ordered a couple small things. They delivered really fast, matter of fact. So it's not a scam. And they sent me an email, said, we want to collaborate with you on your YouTube channel. And they had these stainless steel exhaust kits, 2.5 inch pipe for $135 a kit. I said, man, that's cheap. And I thought about the collaboration. I said, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tell them I collaborate with them. They send me 2 of these kits, and I'll make a video. And so they sent me 2 kits, and I'm making a video. Already got one side mocked up. But anyway, I had to get 2 kits because it's only got 4 nannies in the kit. It's got 4 everything. It's got 4 180s, it's got 4 45s, and it's got 4 nannies, and it's got 4 straight pipes, which is enough to do a normal exhaust on a normal vehicle. So if you're doing exhaust on you, even if you're doing a dual exhaust, probably 1 kit's all you need. So there's that. And I just wanted to say, Temu, I mean, you might be scared to buy stuff, but hey, you can get your tube anywhere you want. I don't care where you get it from. But if you're gonna build Zoomies, this is kind of how you're gonna have to do it right here. So there's that. So yeah, I'm gonna put a link in the description to Temu just in case you decide you want to try them out. So yeah. So we got 4 of these. We got 4 nannies, 4 45s, 4 180s, and 4 straight pipe, about 4 foot long or something like that. And I had to have 2 kits because I need 8 nannies. You see, I used 4 just on one side. So I needed 8 nannies. I don't need all the straight pipe, but some of the stuff, I'm not gonna use all of it, both kits, but I'm using a lot of it, so yeah. Good price. Oh, and another thing, I ordered it on Thursday, and it was here Saturday. Actually it took like 1 day shipping because they had to process the order, and it arrived the next day. Imagine that. I mean, you think Temu, man, you know, it might not never come in. I don't know who that is. It might take a long time to get it all the way from China. Well, they got local warehouses. Temu does all over the United States. So it showed up in about 1 day, 2 days max. This did, so there's that. So this side is mocked up. I had to go way back. When you turn that tire, it gets way back there. So I had to go around the tire. I ain't got them lined up perfect yet, but it's just mocked up. We got one side mocked up, and now I gotta get on this other side. And you see, I already got my flange. I got a couple bolts in my flange, stainless steel, 3/8 inch thick flange. So I can start welding tubes of that, and I'm working my way down to here. This side's gonna be tight too. You see that tire where it turns? Yeah. But that's what I'm doing, just so you know. So this is my best-selling shirt on my merch page. Check it out. Yep, Rat Rodology. Yeah, I got a new cap. I got other caps too that don't have no that. Check them out. Check out my merch page. You might like it. All right.
This old Nova, but it's rough as hell. Too much rust for a showroom sale. Gonna ride it out with my two bare hands. Big block stroker gonna shake these lands. Big fat tires sitting low and mean. Stitched up seams in a bare metal scene. Sparks light up that midnight shop. Wrenching hard and we never gonna stop. Grinder mark shining like a battle scar. Raw steel soul is a win for this car. One bolt at a turn, one dream at a time. Everything I know gonna make it mine. Chevy 2 rat rod built just right. Big block stroker is ready for a fight. We build it tough and we build it mean. That's my dream for this driving machine. Turn the key and let the thunder roll. This old Nova's got a brand new soul. Patch panel floors and a tricked out dash. Gasoline perfume when the pistons flash. Rust brown roof with a slam down crown. Pop shoot flames when I lay it down. Rat rod life, man, that's my kind. Oil stained hands and a wild design. Spend all day in that little shop. Wrenching hard, ain't gonna stop. Stitched up metal, it sings to me. A heartbeat forged in diversity. One last weld and it starts to shine. This ride right here, yeah, that dream is mine. Chevy 2 rat rod built just right. Big block stroker is ready for a fight. We build it tough and we build it mean. That's my dream for this driving machine. Turn the key and let the thunder roll. This old Nova's got a brand new soul. Bare metal truth with a rebel sound. We don't build pretty, we build profound. From rust to rage to a street-born queen. One old Nova with a rat rod theme. Chevy 2 rat rod built just right. Big block stroker is ready for a fight. We build it tough and we build it mean. That's my dream for this driving machine. Hammer down, let the whole world see. This rat rod beast was built by me. Built by me.
Get that serial number there. Well, it's upside down, but there it is. This here's starting to rust too, huh?
Yeah, should have painted it. I hit it with wire brush.
Tell you what,
Take it off.
take that a rag like that,
Wrap it around the bottom.
wrap around the bottom, and
One piece of tape.
wire wheel it,
Yes, sir.
and spray some black paint on it. I don't want to paint nothing but just that yoke part. Yeah, it's gonna be great.
Always.
Still working on the Zoomies, man. This is a pain in the butt. Takes a long time to do this. It ain't perfect, but who cares? It's a rat rod. I got room for one more pipe. I need one more. So, yeah, one more on this side, then 4 on the other side. Then weld them up and put them in. So, still got a lot of work to do. Lots. That's one fine piece of equipment right there. Check it out. Strange. First time I ever had a chunk with a serial number on it. But we got one. It's a 488 gears, spool. Got the big input shaft. Yeah, I think this'll work. How many horsepower you guys think this'll handle? More than I got, but how many you think? Let me know in the comments. Well, out of the 2 kits, I got a lot of stuff. I got probably enough to do a dual exhaust on something almost. I got 1, 2, 3 45s. I got 2 180s, and I got 6 straight pipe left over out of those 2 kits. So, just so you know what it takes. So I got the Zoomies mocked up, both sides actually. All I gotta do now, I got them tacked. All I gotta do now, I gotta take 1 tube at a time off from the flange all the way down and weld it up, all the seams, and then weld it back to, tack it back to the flange. I gotta do all 8 pipe like that. I gotta take 1 off, weld up the seams, tack it back on the flange. And then when I get all 4 on one side done, I can unbolt the flange and get it on the table and weld it up the pipe to the flange is what I got planned. So, all right, next video, we're gonna weld this up and put the carburetors on it and fire it up, see what it sounds like. How's that? Yeah, stay tuned. You don't wanna miss it, you just don't. Hey guys, don't forget, like and subscribe, man, share, all that stuff, good stuff. I appreciate every bit of it. Comment, leave me some comments, let me know what you think. And check out my merch page. I'll leave a link to my merch page in the description so you can go check it out, see what we got. Yeah, all proceeds go to building the hot rod, so just so you know.